Hi, I'm Charles Hatley with Melone Hatley PC, where we protect your family, your finances, and your future while you're going through divorce. Today, I'm joined by Rebecca Malone, the principal attorney for Melone Hatley, and she's going to talk to us a little bit about what you should look for when trying to choose the best attorney for your case. Rebecca?
Thanks, Charles. So a few things that we've noticed are helpful in when you're looking to choose an attorney to represent you in your divorce or your family law case. Number one is, do you actually have access to your attorney? Some firms operate where they have either lower level attorneys or they have staff, paralegals, or assistants do most of the communication with clients. And then attorneys just make court appearances and things of that nature. So if access to your attorney is important, that's something that you want to approach early on in the process and understand, how do I have access to my attorney? Under what circumstances? Can I reach them by phone or by email? Is it going to be direct, or is it going to be through some other staff member? Another thing to look for when you're choosing an attorney is, do they offer a free initial consultation? Sometimes you just need some general information. You just want to learn a little bit about the process before you decide on how you want to move forward with your case and whether you want to move forward with your case. Firms that offer free consultations give you a lot more in terms of your options moving forward. You can understand more about the process and what steps you can take before you actually initiate a case and before you put any sort of amount of funds into the process. The next thing is the attorney going to be honest with you about the process? Are they going to be honest with you about your options? You always have the option to represent yourself. You always have the option to not pursue a contested case or to try to reach an agreement. You always have the option to pursue mediation or other collaborative strategies with your case. And are they going to be honest with you about the cost of the process? If your situation is one where the cost to hire an attorney and go through a contested case is going to cost more than the ultimate benefit that you'll get out of your case, that's something that you should be aware of up front before you go through a long, drawn-out process and go through a whole trial. Finally, do you have a personality match with your attorney? Is your attorney someone that you don't mind hearing from, getting a phone call from, getting emails from? Is it somebody that you don't mind chit-chatting with? Because this is someone you're going to be in contact with regularly, at least weekly, throughout your whole case. So if talking to your attorney is unpleasant or stressful for you, that's probably not somebody that you're going to want representing you going forward through this process. So those are just a few things that we've kind of noticed in our day-to-day interactions with folks who are looking to hire attorneys. A few key things you want to look for while you're deciding who should represent you in your case.
Thank you, Rebecca. That was great. I really like the idea of making sure the attorney tells you always have the ability to represent yourself. So we're Melone Hatley Law. We do family, divorce, child custody, and trust and estates. We help you plan your trust and estates, your will, and your estate moving forward. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our contact information is going to be at the end of the video.
All right, thanks.